Today we'll be making puli inji. It's also called inji puli. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for visiting us again. Let's go to my kitchen now to see the making of puli inji or inji puli. Let's start with ginger. We'll need about half cup of grated ginger. We have to be careful while grating our ginger. We have sharp edges there. We are almost done grating the ginger. We'll transfer the grated ginger into a bowl. Now it's time to grate the jaggery. We need about 3/4 cup of grated jaggery. Continue watching the video till the end to see the making of puli inji or inji puli. We'll make use of lemon-sized tamarind and make pulp out of it. For making the pulp, we'll add half cup of hot water into the tamarind. For this recipe, we will also be needing 8 to 10 green chilies. We'll be mincing the green chilies like this. We'll transfer these minced green chilies into another plate. Now we have all the major ingredients needed for puli inji. We have about half a cup grated ginger, 3/4 cup jaggery, 8 to 10 minced green chilies and tamarind pulp. Now onto the hot pan we add tamarind pulp. We'll add half cup of water to this and allow it to boil. Our tamarind liquid has started boiling. At this point, we'll add 1 teaspoon of tamarind powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We'll mix all these ingredients properly. We'll keep on stirring the content properly because we don't want it to get burnt. This liquid has slowly started thickening. As this liquid boils, we'll add the grated ginger to this. Mix it well. Time to add the grated jaggery to this. Let's keep on stirring the content in the pan properly. The jaggery has slowly started melting and is getting blended with the other ingredients in the pan. I put the flame in high to speeden up the process. Now the liquid in the pan has slowly started thickening. At this point, we'll reduce the flame to low. While this is cooking, we'll take another pan and we'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to that. Once the oil is hot, we'll add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to that and allow it to splutter. We'll add 10 to 12 curry leaves to this and 1 dry red chili. At this point, stir it properly. We don't want our red chilies to get burnt. Now we'll add minced green chilies to this and fry it. Our green chilies are almost done and we'll transfer it to the other pan. Let's give it a good mix. We'll allow this content to cook in low flame for some more time. Our inji puli is cooking to perfection now. This is the consistency that we need. Let me taste this for you. Well, it tastes really good. Our inji puli is ready now. Let's transfer it into a bowl. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video till the end.